What's going on, guys? This is Rohin. You are watching All About Tech, and in this video I'm going to review the Bluetooth headset ever you have seen, because it is just under 300 rupees. You can simply purchase it from Flipkart or Amazon. So guys, this is the Bluetooth headset. So without wasting time, let's unbox it. So guys, this is the Bluetooth headset. You got the Bluetooth headset, the USB cable and the user manual. So USB cable is as simple as it is, and the Bluetooth headset is there. Here you can see, and the user manual was in Chinese and in English as well. Here you can see from the inside it was translated in English. And guys, they both are user manual. I got these two user manuals with one Bluetooth headset. So guys, this is the Bluetooth user manual, Bluetooth headset user manual, you can say. So guys, you can see this was again in English and in Chinese, and this is the Bluetooth headset. If I talk about this, then it has a great plastic quality. They made it by the good plastic. I didn't see the plastic like this, so the plastic is really very nice. And this is the mic. Here you can see the mic is there, and the speaker for hearing, and the button, and this is the charging port, guys. So without wasting time, let's pair it. So guys, now I'm ready to pair, and you can see I'm having a phone now. Let me just turn on the Bluetooth headset. So guys, here you can see you need to just press it for 6 seconds or less, then it will switch on. Here you can see the lights was on, blue and the red light, which is a nice thing. Now you need to turn on the Bluetooth. Here it is. Connected. Now you can see the light was turning off and it was connected. Now guys, let me just check it that it was connected or not. So guys, here you can see. Now let me just go to the gallery and check. Yes guys, it was connected. So let me just show you. After pressing a button, it was paused by me. Here you can see. It was quick and easy. So guys, this is what all about this. I personally like this because it is so cheap and very useful for those who don't have this. You can also purchase it in different colors. I got this in white color. You can also buy this in black. So guys, hope you like the video. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow us on Twitter, and comment for another video of your choice. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.